Columbia Gear was established in 1949, so we have a little over 70 years history of experience and success in producing custom gearing, gear products for some of the world's largest OEMs for their most demanding applications.
Well, it's 235,000 square feet, and we have the technology and the talent of individuals to satisfy just about any kind of order we get from our customers.
We designed the shop flow so that we can shorten lead times. We designed cell areas for start to finish processes. We're a step ahead of the rest for the simple fact that we have high quality equipment, high quality operators, and a quality process that will keep all the checks in line to make sure that the customer is getting the quality part on time.
The customer, once they place an order with us for a finished product, and we take care of all the work that goes in from when they place the order until they receive the final product.
We've got full capabilities of checking every aspect of the gear. 5 or 6 GMMs, which takes care of all of our gear teeth. 5 or 6 CMMs, which takes care of all the other geometrical tolerances of the parts. We can do a full analysis of the material as far as grain structure, what is made up in that material, if there's any particles that can cause the degradation of the material. The product, when it reaches the customer, is going to be what they want it to be. It will be free of defects, free of issues that might cause it to fracture prematurely in the field.
Where I believe we diversify ourselves from our competitors is we have a real commitment towards our customers, kind of a whatever it takes type commitment.
Columbia Gear is committed to reinvesting into new types of equipment to be the leader of the pack.
We like to be a total solutions provider from start to finish for our customers.
And we pride ourselves in being able to do the difficult jobs, to solve heavy, complicated problems. They can rest assured that they're going to get a good product.